Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We will dive in and get through this really quickly since it is Friday. But of course, the links to all the pages I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, real quickly, I do want to ask, yesterday I posted a longer form video with many different job leads in it, and I have had some feedback on that video so far, letting me know whether you like the shorter videos that include only one job lead or you like the longer videos. But if you don't mind, leave me a comment down below and let me know which video format you prefer. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company One Source Virtual. Now, they have 421 reviews on their Glassdoor page from current and past employees, and they do have a high employee satisfaction rate of a 4.3 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a tax registration specialist. This is remote for the United States. But they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for supporting their daily tax registration operations. So you'll manage the end-to-end registration process, including limited to rejections relating to missing account numbers, completing refiling on behalf of the customers, and collaborating with the internal teams for case resolution. You'll prepare various tax transactions on behalf of customers, including withholding and employment tax registration applications, tax deregistrations, name changes, or address change notifications. You'll be responsible for interfacing with the customers and keeping the customers appraised of tax registration activities. You'll manage multiple sources of incoming data through electronic email, work queues, incoming mail, and applications. Now, as far as what they're looking for, they're not requiring any kind of college degree. They want somebody who has working knowledge and language of payroll or payroll taxes and 2 years of customer service experience. Above that, you do have to have great communication skills, great time management skills, be organized, and detail-oriented. Now, unfortunately, in the job description, they did not list the actual pay, so actual pay is always going to be dependent on things like location and experience and will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. But I did try to do a little bit of a research to get an estimate of what this job might pay. And of those past employees that's worked as a tax specialist for One Source, they have said their pay ranges anywhere from $44,000 a year all the way up to $64,000 a year, with different bonuses and raises, pulling that income up between $49,000 and $73,000 a year. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.